Walking into Playwright, you're greeted with wood floors, little extra wood trim features, such as the chair rail wainscoting, coffered ceiling, and double French glass doors into the office with the shiplap siding. It also has a closet, so this initial entry, I did smell some perfume, and I thought I smelled the faintest cat cover-up. And interestingly, when my nose was still desensitized, as soon as I walked past this room into the house, I didn't smell it. So I really try hard to smell things, and I've had phantom cat smells before. But if there is one that you catch, it didn't smell so strong. I don't think it would be a reason not to proceed. I don't feel like, we'll have to check again, but it didn't seem very strong. Okay, so this living room, again, lots of upgrades. I see a lot of surround sound speakers throughout the house. A lot of times, it's really easy to not know how to use those when you move in, so hopefully this is the exception. I'm gonna touch this camera lens. It seems kind of blurry. The primary bedroom is to the right, and the laundry room. And the other two bedrooms are to the left. Okay, camera lens. This bedroom's really cool. You've got more coffered ceiling, and then this separate sitting room, and then these triple windows to the backyard. Oh my gosh, they're so cool. And an access to the backyard. So you've got your access to the patio, both from the primary bedroom and the main living space. So you've got your standalone tub with the upgraded double window above it, tile surround, your wooden double sink vanity. And you know, it's not a brand new house. I would have had them take a touch-up marker to this, or maybe they did. But I can see stuff. The countertops look, I don't see any imperfections there. And then the light fixtures. So we've got the shower to our left, toilet closet to the right. Double heads. Shelf. Corner shelves. Toilet does have its own second door. I like that whenever the bathroom door is a pocket door, sorry. Because And then this walk-in's lovely. Has some natural light in it. And here it is. See how it looks. I mean, you just have a lot of natural light coming in here. You know, 3 windows in your bathroom alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows plus 2 doors in your bedroom. Just add hot tub. View the bench that way. I don't know if you heard that. I could barely hear the car go by as I'm by the window on Warm Springs, and I could see it the tiniest bit just in that corner right there. It was not offensive. It's not something that would wake me up. So this living room is pretty impressive. It's got windows for windows. Brick chimney. The baseboards kind of need a repaint just because of vacuuming. You can see they did a good job vacuuming because there's a nudge track about 1 inch high on all the baseboards. Cabinets and drawers are not soft close. No funky X's. Apron sink. Let me swing back over to this corner pantry. Pretty standard, does have an outlet and a shopping list. Where am I? I'm lost. Oh yeah, so there's your other patio access. And then here are your 2 additional bedrooms and a linen closet and bathroom. Oh, the carpet is definitely not new. Like, it's not offensive, and there's no screens currently in these windows. However, a lot of times we take those out for listing. So that doesn't mean that they don't exist. Your door stops are missing their knobs. So cat child or grandchild has been here. I think these guys row crew. There was a linen closet, sorry, and then there's this bathroom here, another linen closet, and then your vanity, some touch-up paint on the wall. I've seen that throughout where there's touch-up paint marks, and I mentioned that on the phone. This vanity actually looks less used than the one in the primary bedroom. And then the shower and the toilet. Nice top. Are in their own separate. Now that's a little funky. That window, you can see there's some wood on the other side of it. That is because they have a shed there. So you have an extra garden shed for the mower you'll never use. Nah, you don't need a mower for your hot tub cleaning equipment. And if you don't like that, you can take it down. They currently store their satellite dish on it. If you need to look into it. Thermostat. This carpet looks a little less used than the other rooms, I think. Oh, but I can still find smudges if I look hard enough. So yeah, these guys lived here a while. They had some extra little things built. The shed, whatever that is, that stuff. There's a side gate over there. And some kiddo stole all the rubber stops on all the door stops. So the doors are gonna have a lot of those. I used to like playing with those when I was a kid. Did you? Okay, let's look at this amazing, the neutrals, the browns. It's definitely more of a brown tone house. Doesn't have its gray tone, so you want the yard. We did a separate video of the yard. But let's go out here on this one. That's a plumbed gas line, I believe. Except it's white. Maybe it's not, but I'd expect it to be red, not blue. This grass is so lush. I just love walking in it. Am I barefoot? I kind of love that rock. It's like the water feature without the water. It's a pretty large patio. So your entry nook by your garage, so you can store all your stuff. Another world's largest under the stairs closet with a auto light that turns on, and it goes for days. Back here, and the garage for Robert. Okay, we've got a man door, service door, whatever you call that. HVAC, extra sink. Water softener, hot water heater, furnace, central vac plumbing going to nowhere, gun safe. So it's plumbed for central vac, but I didn't see central vacuum. That was a water heater, right? Yeah, I don't see a central vacuum, but you could add one. Nice wide staircase. Not new carpet. Here's your rowing room. Skylights. Oh yeah. My favorite thing about this room is, see that? That's a trail. And it cuts right down to some trailhead you could walk or ride to. So that's kind of cool. And that's it. This little closet. This ginormous closet. If you ever needed another bathroom, you could add one here, but I don't see you guys needing another bathroom. Last look here. That's it, guys. It's a really lovely house. Yeah, I really have to open the door to hear the road from here, kind of. I guess I can hear it if I try hard enough.